Adding an EBT card to the Meijer app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Meijer app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Then you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Open the Meijer app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration or login process. Look for an account or profile section within the app. This is typically where you manage your personal information, payment methods, and other settings. Check if there is an option to add a payment method or manage payment options within the app. In this section, you may be able to add your EBT card information. If the Meijer app supports EBT cards, there should be a specific option to add EBT as a payment method. Enter the required information from your EBT card, which may include the card number, expiration date, and any other relevant details. After entering the EBT card details, review the information to ensure it is accurate. Some apps may require additional verification steps. Once everything is correct, save the information.